This is the Cordless Red Light Therapy Shoulder Wrap with vibration massage on it. Company sent me this product to check it out so I can make a video for it, so let's do it. Arrived safely, nice looking package, and it is ready to go right out of the box. Inside the package you are going to get the wearable shoulder wrap itself, along with a 5,000 milliamp controller. There's a quick reference card that shows you all the features and things you can do with this. An instruction manual gives you a little longer explanation, and about a 3-foot long USB cable, because this is a rechargeable device. It recharges right here on the top, and you can use this while it's recharging. It'll turn red to let you know when it's time to charge it, blue when it's in the middle, and green when charging is complete. And before using this, the first thing you're going to want to do is read through the manual here to make sure that this is the right product for you. The on-off switch is right on the bottom. The wrap has a total of 300 LEDs. 100 are visible 660 nanometer red lights, and there are 200 near infrared 850 nanometer lights in here. It's designed to fit both your left shoulder and your right shoulder, and the straps are flexible enough you could wrap it around a knee or an elbow or an arm if you want. Good for when you're done working in the yard too. So the fabric on here is pretty soft and breathable and skin friendly, at least to me it is. Putting it on is relatively simple. You're gonna have to figure out your own system. What I do is get the bottom cuff going first. And if you're putting this on your left shoulder, you're gonna wanna put the strap over here. If you're putting it on your right shoulder, you're gonna put the strap on this side, always on the outside. You have Velcro on the straps, you can pull it through and stick it like that first. I put it around my neck, and I put the cuff part on first. You can adjust it later. Then I'll bring it up underneath it here, run it through, and then you can tighten it down however you like it. Now I got it in a position, now you can make adjustments. I can tighten the cuff up if I want, or I can tighten the chest strap. Easy to turn on now. The second way, this Velcro holds pretty good, so I just stick it on the outside without using the loop thing. Arm through the cuff, just Velcro it on. I was putting it down here because I actually feel it pulling closer to my shoulder. It feels like tighter this way. Plenty of freedom of movement on here. Works fine this way. Adjust it however you want. This makes a little bit of a tighter feel for me. And it is completely cordless thanks to the big battery inside this controller, so you can wear it while you're at your desk, moving around the house, or just sitting on the couch. The strap is about 3 foot long. I don't know if I mentioned that. The controller lets you choose from 3 light intensity levels, and you control that with the light button here, obviously. It starts from wherever you're at and goes down. If we go to 5 right here, 5 is actually a 40 hertz pulsing light. I'm not going to show the flashing lights too much on here just because they're flashing lights. If you go down to P4, that's a 10 hertz flashing light, a little bit slower. I can feel it getting warm in my hand right now, actually. P3 is high, P2 is medium, and P1 is obviously the low setting, and then you start all over again. It has 3 different vibration levels. Level 3 is high vibration, level 2 is medium, and level 1 is the low vibration. And it's not super intense vibration, but you can feel it on there. And if you want to use this silently, you can just set it to L0, and that'll turn off the vibration. And there's a timer button on here too, so you can set it from 30-minute timer, 20-minute timer, or a 10-minute timer. As I said before, the light and the vibration work independently, so if you want, you can just run the lights so you don't have any vibration or sound, or you can just run the vibration if you want. When I'm using this, it produces like a nice, gentle, natural warmth from the LEDs. It's not like a traditional heating pad, just so you know that. When you're done, you just press and hold the on-off button again, and it shuts it down. With the strap, you could actually hang it up somewhere if you wanted to. So there you go. A portable cordless wrap like this would be great to use around the house. You could use it while you're sitting at your desk, after any type of sports activity or regular daily activity, after working in the yard, all kinds of stuff. Very nice.